Hi everyone, welcome to the September 2024 market update for New York City real estate market. So in September, our market showed limited optimism. So right before and after the rate cut in September, there was a rush of activities. Right? A handful of buyers our team's been working with, who'd been quiet for a while, came out of the woodwork to start looking again. And on our listings, we got more inquiries from buyers, but the level of activities was not consistent. One week could be very busy, and the week after is quiet. This is how 80% of the market is feeling. Generally feeling a little better, but still more or less the same, slow going. But things are different in two submarkets. One is in the new construction market, and then two in the luxury market, sort of loosely defined as 4 million and above. So these two submarkets tend to lead the broader market in both an upswing and a downswing. So what's going on? So let's look at the new construction market first. Right? In new construction, we're seeing demand increasing and supply decreasing. Now, both in terms of the total transaction volume and prices have not changed, but the undercurrent of supply and demand are quietly changing. And then now let's move over to luxury market. So we've been working with a buyer who has been trying to get a Central Park facing apartment. So over the last 4 or 5 months, we made offers on 3 different apartments. Just a little bit low offers. So sellers didn't accept our offers. But to be fair, a couple of them have been sitting on the market for over a year, right? But then, in the last 3 weeks, all of a sudden, all 3 of them accepted offers that were fairly close to their asking price. So we can see the luxury market is making a strong turn already. So is the broader market waiting for election to be over or more rate cuts to come through to react? Possibly. We'll see you next time.